A Supreme Court judge has recused himself from any case that might deal with Bill 21. The court has yet to decide whether to hear the case, but one judge was already accused of conflict of interest. Kelly Gregg reports.
There's been years of protests and legal challenges, and the Supreme Court hasn't even agreed to hear the Bill 21 case yet. But already, one judge is out.
No, it's not common. It can happen. Judges are presumed to be impartial. It's a very, very strong presumption that's hard to displace.
Before joining the Supreme Court, Justice Mahmoud Jamal was the chairman of the Canadian Civil Liberties Association, which challenged the bill in Quebec Superior Court in 2019.
The CCLA said that the Bill 21 was xenophobic, racist also. And this is something very strong, and very harsh to hear.
Jamal initially said he had no intention of sidelining himself, but in a letter now says the allegations made by certain parties of actual bias are completely without merit, and a reasonable and right-minded person would not conclude that it is more likely than not that he would not decide fairly. But to avoid his participation being a distraction, Justice Jamal has decided that he will not take part in these proceedings.
We were happy not to have to do a bigger battle about that, because the battle for Bill 21 is very important pour le droit des femmes du Québec. So we are happy that the judge took this decision.
Quebec's Justice Minister told CTV in a statement he's satisfied with the decision. The Bill 21 case hinges on Quebec's preemptive use of the notwithstanding clause. It's widely expected the case will end up at the highest court, so for Sutton, the recusal at this stage is a good move.
Even the decision to hear the case is a judicial decision, and you can't have a member of the court involved in that process if there is a basis to argue that that person is in a conflict of interest.
If it is heard, Sutton says it means another judge could also sit out to not have a split decision among the 8 remaining justices. Kelly Gregg, CTV News.